Hey there, my name is James Berryhill. I'm a professional musician and technical communicator, and today I want to show you how to make a preset using your Line 6 HX Stomp XL or Line 6 Helix. The Line 6 Helix or HX Stomp is a multi-effect guitar or bass unit, meaning that you can plug your guitar into this one piece of technology and pretty much come up with any sound you can imagine. And with all of its functionality, you can replace the need for an amplifier, an interface, a pedal board, all with one unit right here. One of the most useful features that I've found for the Line 6 Helix and HX Stomp units is the ability to create different presets for different songs or moods that you might have during a set. So let's jump into the tutorial and show you how to do that. Before doing anything, we need to make sure that our Helix is connected to our computer like this. Here's the back of our HX Stomp. First we'll plug in the USB. We'll connect the other end into our computer. We'll plug in the headphones and we'll plug in our instrument. Ready to go. All right, now that we've got our Helix plugged into our computer with the USB, HX Edit should automatically open. Let's look over here to the left-hand side of the screen and you're going to see a bunch of presets. If you never opened HX Edit before, they'll all say new preset. Let's choose one from a blank slate. I'm going to choose new preset 35. First thing we're going to want to do, let's give this a name. Let's name this Shine On. There we go, pressed enter to save. Now that we've named the preset, we're going to delete all of the pre-existing effects that came loaded. Now we've got a blank signal chain. The white line up here, this is where we're going to load all of our new effects. Now, let's look over to the right of our presets. We have all of our different effects and ways that we can change the sound. I'm going to choose amp and cab. This is going to make it sound like it's going through an amp. This is going to make my guitar sound kind of clean with this US Deluxe Vibe channel. Okay, whenever you pick on an effect or an amp or a cab, you're going to have all of these different parameters open with it. These are going to change the way the amp sounds pretty dramatically. Like the drive. If I turn it up, it makes it sound like the amp is overdriven. I won't dive into all of these for the sake of time. Now that I'm happy with the way my amp sounds, I'm going to click on a new block. Let's add some reverb. This is going to make it sound like we're in a big hallway. Let's turn the decay up. I'm going to hold down on the parameter, turn it up. That's nice. After that, let's add delay. This is going to make the guitar repeat itself, kind of a psychedelic way. Nice. Last thing, let's add one more effect. I'm going to go over here to modulation. And let's add script mod phaser. This is going to make the sound swirl, make it sound sort of psychedelic like the 1970s. Pretty neat, eh? Now I got this cool 70s swirly sound. I'm happy with it. We're going to save this preset. If you're on a Mac, you're going to press Command S. If you're on a Windows, it's Control S. If you change any of the parameters or any of the effects, just be sure to press save again, and it will save on HX Edit and on your Helix device. You can also go over here to the left and move the preset around in the preset order, and it will automatically remember that as well. Now that we know how to save our preset, you can come back to this and very easily change between dramatically different sounds. So I hope this was helpful and I hope you learned something. See you later.